The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is circulating out there on social media. And I want you to listen to me carefully because I am not here to mislead you, and I do not want you to get any of the things that I'm about to say to you wrong. Alright? Now, this video had been posted some places on social media where it is said that a man who goes by the name of Jacure gave a woman money and the woman ended up having sex with a man during a certain time. You see me? And according to some things that have been said about the video on social media, it is said that the man who goes by the name of Jacure is said to be angry about what had happened. You see what I'm saying to you? Some places on social media, it is said that the man who goes by the name of Jacure gave females money and something went wrong. You see me? And you know, other different things have been said about the video on social media, you know, allegations about a person who said to go by the name of Jacure and so on. You see me? I said to you, I do not know which one of these stories to actually believe that had been posted out there on social media about the video. I don't know which one to believe. You see me? Many comments have been made on social media about this video, and some of these comments gave me the understanding that some persons believe that one of the persons talking in this video actually is Jacure the artist. You see me? Yes, some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons on social media believe that one of these persons talking in this video is actually Jacure the musician. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can hear some of the things that have been said in this video, and you can also let me know what you think. And I'm also going to ask you one question about this video. Now, based on some of the things that you are about to hear in this video that I'm about to present to you, do you think that one of these persons talking in this video is actually Jacure, the musician that is from the country Jamaica? Let me know what you think, alright? Now, some of the things said in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I remember that my cousin can't take you nowhere. Yeah, you better take care of the Kingston and fuck a boy then. One more pussy take the from. Send back my money now, no. I'm going back more money. If I'm not fuck her now, I'm going back both of my money from you and her. That's my mushing up in
Okay,
there.
I don't know how much my ticket was. How much was it?
Oh. It was fucking 600. And hers, if I don't fuck her now, she has to pay me back too.
We'll both pay you back.
Right now.
That's kind of, your Wi-Fi doesn't work up here. We have to go downstairs.
Well, I'm ready. Let's go down there to do it.
Can we finish packing this
Yeah,
after we leave?
yeah. Y'all don't like fucking things. Y'all like to fuck up. I've been watching you all morning with a little sneaky movement. Because you like to fuck around men and make problems. I'm watching you in on the front of my car, and you can't blocking me with a lot of girls that they see you in the car and you're nothing up, and me and you there. So when you go home and you left me in this fucking predicament, like, oh, I see Jacure fucking this girl that was in Kingston fucking this dancer boy in my front of my car, then this shit boy, you know, think that me and them is fucking size. Some shit boy that beat you in the face over some shit girl, huh? And then you come and feel like you can't style me.
I'm just going to leave back and we'll get out of your way.
Yeah, just fucking tell you what I understand. You like to fuck around, I saw you. I observed all morning, you noticed last night? I never came in here begging a pussy. I came in here and I lied down and said you are acting funny. You trying to act like you said some of this.
You know that I've cleaned this and diabetes. I can literally show you my
You don't have to show me nothing.
You punched me in the
Fuck
stomach.
off, you're lucky. Broke one broke on your hand. You take me for pussy. Cause you see, I'm going to tell you so no problem. You know much woman who could have spent them ticket upon and enjoy myself and them now. So much trouble to give me. First thing we do this for the night, go out and buckle and beach and left me. I'm build a pass and a story for me. You know this thing, you know? I beat me to beat the two and the house, you know, hey, this one more class I'm going to tell you. First of all, this is not this for good. Things just don't put it on, you know. We come in the house and have AC turned on. And bumper class door open so much hours. I post on the take for a walk. Even if I go to a hotel, you can have a fucking AC and I'll tell you window open.
Okay.
If you have a from left, a big title on me, you know what's going to cost me? You make sure you clean up the fucking room on the left.
Okay.
And the bottom of the pay in the back, the money to the side on the left here is no problem.
I don't have PayPal, so put down all this. I got you.
PayPal too. One thing I'm sure of, my cousin that ain't taking none of you
We said
nowhere.
we'll get a cab, so we just want to leave right now.
Now I'm just telling you, you know my cousin, you make sure one
We're
them
not
see
gonna
them
say a
still
word
far.
to them.
Oh. She don't know my name, but I'm telling you that. You know what I'm trying to make me can sell me out.
Is there a trash can somewhere? No.
There's a garbage downstairs. I've been up here for all day, you know that there's no trash can.
That's why we have things to please. Maybe you need
Yeah, we
to.
should have taken a bath. I don't know who take it up, but one goes there, I don't know.
Viewers and subscribers, and a real now, I'm going to tell you this. You see, I am not the kind of person to just listen to certain things in a video and just jump to conclusion and say yes, that's the person and so forth. You see me? And I'm certainly not going to just take anything me hear on social media or saw on social media and say yes, a true, like me a sneeze or me a flu. No, I'm not going to say that. You understand? Now, this video is out on social media where some allegations and accusations made about this video. You see me? Some assumptions. You see me? And I saw comments on social media about this video, like many comments. You understand? But in my point of view, viewers and subscribers, that's what I'm saying to you. In my point of view, I do not really and truly accept that one of the persons talking in this video is actually Jackie, the artist. No, I do not. You see what I said to you? No, I might be right and I might be wrong, you know, but based on what I saw and heard in this video, I cannot say, yes, it is true. I cannot say that. I know a man that call himself Alkaline, and he's not Alkaline the artist, you see me? By the way, big up yourself, General, you see me? Yeah, the person will call himself Alkaline, you see me? Big up yourself. And I know a person will call himself Buju, and he is not Buju Banton the artist, you see me? I know a few persons who call themselves the name of celebrity names, and they are not the celebrities that is out there. You understand what I'm saying to you? See me? So when I hear about this video, or when I see this video on social media and allegations made about this video saying that Jack Cure is one of these persons talking in this video, I'm not saying that I do not believe, but at the same time I don't believe. You see me? And the reason for that is because I don't see any strong evidence for me to say, yes, it's Jack Cure, yes, it's Jack Cure. No, I don't see. I don't see that, you see me? And that's the thing with social media too, you know, viewers and subscribers, you see? Social media sometimes can be a place where scandal and them things they happen. And, you know, we as viewers, you understand? Because, yes, even though me have my own channel, I do look at other contents out there, you see me? So me as a viewer and you as viewers out there need to think whenever you see and hear some things in some videos out there, or whenever you hear some things being said on social media about videos out there. So I say, I'm not defend anyone and I'm not bashing anyone, you know, but I'm just saying that just think, you see me, and don't jump to conclusion and don't just believe every rumor you hear on social media either. You understand? Think and know what's up. You understand? But anyways, you don't know me Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. You see me I say? This video is out on social media where some allegations and accusations and all different things have been said about this video. You see me I say? And you know, one of those allegations or accusations about the video is that some persons believe that this video have something to do with Jack Cure, the entertainer, or some persons believe that one of the person talking in this video is actually Jack Cure, the entertainer. You understand me? And I present this video to you so that you can hear some of the things that have been said in this video. And you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been said in this video as well. Alright? Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm my name Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.